So for this problem, it tells us that the volume of a cylinder is 40. Now the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h, and the volume is 40. So this is the formula for volume of a cylinder, pi r squared h. Basically, it's the area, you find the area of the circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared, and then you times it by your height, and that will get you your volume. Now to find the side area, it's basically of the cylinder unwrapping. Like think about a cylinder and you're unwrapping it, and then if you unwrap it, you get this rectangle, which is the sides of the cylinder. So the formula for this, well, this is the circle if you wrap it back up. And so the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and then times your height. So side area of a cylinder equals 2 pi r h. So this should be r, 2 pi r. That's the circumference of the circle. So the circumference times your height. So you have 2 pi r h, and the side area equals 60. So you can solve for h, dividing by 2 pi r. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. And then you get h equals 60 over 2 pi r. You substitute this in for h. So you get pi r squared, and then h is 60 divided by 2 pi r equals 40. Now this is over 1, so the pi cancels out here. The r cancels out with one of them and leaves you with 1 r on top. 2 goes into 60 30 times, so you have 30r equals 40 divided by 30, and you get r equals 4 over 3, and you can use your calculator, but 4 divided by 3 gives you 1.33 repeating. And my math lab wants you to enter it as, let's see, enter to 2 decimals. So it's going to be 1.33. And then for the next question on this one, it's asking for the height. So to solve for the height, you're going to plug it back into this equation right here. So the height is 60 over 2 pi r. Now, r is actually 4/3. So I think this is where the problem is. I would not use the estimate, your estimate. I would use the exact value, which is 4/3. So this gives you 60 over 2 pi times 4, which is 8 pi over 3. So 60 divided by 8 pi over 3. So in our calculator, we'll go 60 and then divided by, and then another fraction, 8 pi on top, and then over 3. And we get 7.16. And so, okay, I see. So that is how I would enter it. The one that my math lab actually wants is for you to use the estimation, actually. So I would accept both answers. So 60 over 2 pi r, 60 divided by 2 pi, and then r 1.33. So we can put this in our calculator. We get 60. So we'll use that as one answer, or 60 divided by 2 pi times 1.33. So you can also use this, 7.18. Either of those, let's do that again. So 60 divided by 2 pi times 1.33. So I would accept either of these, either 7.18 or 7.16.